How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2009 Chevy Aveo. Customer lost the only key, so we'll have to make it from scratch. Let's get started. So I'm gonna use a Lishi, but now I see that there is no lock on the driver door. Empty. So we'll have to figure it out another way. I'm gonna go to the passenger door, but again, no lock, so the only thing is the trunk. This Lishi DW04R, it have 8 cuts, but the first cut, it will be very hard because the Lishi doesn't slide all the way in for some reason. So I'm gonna pick it, and you can see on my YouTube channel I have a complete playlist of picking. After the lock is picked, we can read the cuts and use Instacode app. I'm gonna go to automotive. I'm gonna look for Chevy Aveo and 2002 to 11, which is also 09. It says 8 cuts. I'm gonna go to the menu, find bidding, and I'm gonna start with 2 because cut number 1 I can't really get the numbers out of, so we're just gonna have to figure out the first cut. So again, you can see on my channel the playlist of locks picking, and you can see how to decode, but in general idea is every pin you put the lifter on, and then you push it and it goes 1 down, so you feel a spring of 1 depth. Whatever it going down, this is the number. After I got all of them, I put it in the software. It gives me 2 options, so I'm gonna start cutting those options, and it should work on the trunk and the ignition. So I'm gonna use DW04. This car doesn't have a chip, so it's pretty simple, but this is the GM key that have a shoulder, so I need to use this tiny stopper to align the shoulder on the clamp. After it's lined up the correct way, sorry for the angle, we can go to the menu. I'm gonna go to search, and then we're gonna look for number 74 because this is what it shows on our app, that the card is 74, and I'm gonna put all of those digits for the first option. So the only difference between them was the first option was either 1 or 3. So I'm gonna put the 1 first because it's more shallow, and after that if it doesn't work, I'll have to cut it deeper so I can use the same key. So I'm looking at based on a key code because the software gives me the codes, and we're gonna hit cut, speed up the cutter, make sure it's the shoulder, and hit cut again, make sure everything is clean, and that's it. When you finish cutting, we're just gonna have to clean it up. By the way, if you guys like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my locksmith videos all the time. The first one I cut the shallower one, and I can go and cut it deeper if I need to. Let's test it out, and it turns nice, but the handle is broken, so that works fine. Let's test it on the ignition. Perfect. Turns nice and easy. Of course there is no battery, so it's not gonna start, but job is all done. Don't forget to like those videos. It really helps me a lot, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments below and I would love to answer. Thank you. See you in the next one.